Okay, so we're at the read time for this 12-in-1 Swab Cube. Just to show you the saliva colour chart for the saliva test, which is this membrane here. We've got a yellowish fawn colour, which is a negative alcohol test. If we detected alcohol at 0.02% and above, we'd be looking at the blue discoloration going through to the turquoise. The other membranes you interpret by the presence or absence of a test line in the presence of a control line. So on all these you must have the control line showing at the top of the test membrane, and we've got lovely clear control lines showing on all 12 membranes. And then for a positive or negative result, you're interpreting it by the presence or absence of a test line. So 2 lines are a negative test. Here we've got negative results for all 3, negative results for all 4 on this aspect, and here we have actually got negative results for all 4 on here. But interestingly, on this sample, the cannabis test line is extremely thin and faint, and actually only shows, with an eye of faith looking at this, I don't know whether it's going to show on camera, but to almost a quarter to a third on the right aspect of this test membrane. You can just see the membrane there. Now if we were to leave this membrane to develop for a further 10 to 15 minutes, the thickness and colour density saturation on there would firm up. But this is a very valid demonstration for you of a test line that is very thin, very faint, and doesn't run entirely across the full membrane, must still be interpreted as a negative result. Now for a positive result, there would be no discernible line or part line showing there at the specified read time on the data sheet. So it's very important to specify to you how you should interpret these non-thick, non-clear test lines. As long as you've got the control line and there's any line discernible at the specified read time, you've got to read it and interpret it as a clear negative result. So that's the UK drug testing 12-in-1 saliva swab cube.